This one's going to get me in trouble because today we're stepping into the For You page and breaking down some of the most viral health trends blowing up on TikTok. Apple cider vinegar, Neuro gum, a raw carrot salad, chlorophyll water, okra water. But this ain't just for laughs. This episode is for the curious, the cautious, and the ones who want to know, is it hype or is it health? Welcome to The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield, where medicine, music, literacy, and those viral moments all meet. Let's get into it. First up, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been a wellness darling for years, but TikTok took it to the next level. Shots in the morning, gummies for lunch, spritzers before dinner. The claim? Weight loss, blood sugar control, even better skin. And there's some science to support it. A study published in Diabetes Care showed vinegar improved insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% after high carbohydrate meals in folks with insulin resistance. In fact, I decided to test this out myself. I am still wearing a Libre Freestyle 3 Plus, a continuous glucose monitor, and I've been having it on for almost 21 days now. I drank 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 8 ounces of water, 30 minutes before meals and 30 minutes before bedtime. What did I notice? During the first 7 days without apple cider vinegar, my average blood sugar ranged between 90 to 110 milligrams per deciliter, and my hemoglobin A1C was 5.8%. Way too high for my personal standards. After starting apple cider vinegar, the next 7 days, my blood sugar dropped to an average of 82 to 96 milligrams per deciliter, and my A1C decreased to 5.5%. That was pretty amazing. I'll post a graph so you can see how my numbers change, but let me be clear. This is my own personal experiment, and I'm not recommending this without you talking to your primary care provider first. The viral moment? TikTokers plugging their noses and saying, this burns, but beauty is pain. My take, add a splash of apple cider vinegar to your salad dressing? Yes, but don't chug it like lemonade. Moderation and actual meals still win. Plus, apple cider vinegar can damage the enamel on your teeth if you don't rinse or brush immediately after using. Next up is Neuro gum. Neuro gum is laced with caffeine, L-theanine, and B vitamins, promising clean, crash-free energy. What the science says, L-theanine and caffeine together can improve focus, reaction time, and mental clarity. A 2008 study in biological psychology backs that up. But if you're sleep deprived, no gum is going to save you. The TikTok viral moment, 1 piece before the gym, 1 before the grind, Neuro's got me locked in. Dr. Whitfield's take, I like the idea, but it's a supplement, not a substitute. Get some sleep, drink some water, then chew responsibly. Next on the menu is raw carrot salad. You've seen it: shredded carrots, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and Himalayan sea salt. TikTok's go-to for glowing skin and hormone balance. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, but estrogen detox? That's all done by the liver. And topical retinol still reigns supreme for skin. The TikTok viral moment, I eat this 3 times a week and I haven't had a breakout in months. Dr. Whitfield's take, carrots are crunchy and clean, but magical. Enjoy it, but don't expect it to fix your hormones. Next, an old school favorite, chlorophyll water. Chlorophyll water promises clear skin, fresh breath, and full body detox. The science, some antioxidant potential, and maybe slight effects on body odor. But the detox claims, that's your liver and kidneys job. The TikTok viral moment, I drank this for 7 days and now I glow in the dark. Dr. Whitfield's take, eat your greens, don't let the bottle fool you, spinach still wins. This next one of my good friends has asked me about this for months, commenting on my social media pages. Doc, you got to try it. Do your research. Okra water, the slippery solution. Slice the okra, soak it overnight, and drink the slime. The same stuff that we swear that we don't want in our gumbo. The goal, lower blood sugar and improve digestion. Okra has mucilage and soluble fiber that slows sugar absorption. A 2011 study in rats showed promise. We need more human research. The viral moment, I don't need Ozempic, I got okra. Dr. Whitfield's take, safe, cheap, low risk, but don't throw away your meds just yet. This is one of my favorites. The Sleepy Girl Mocktail, sipping your way to slumber. The recipe is tart cherry juice and magnesium plus sparkling water, which is supposed to equate to sleepy girl success. The science, tart cherry juice contains melatonin and tryptophan. Magnesium helps with smooth muscle relaxation. Early research says maybe, but not magic. The TikTok viral moment, bedtime videos with the Mocktail as the star. Dr. Whitfield's take, it's a great ritual, but you still need a solid sleep routine. This one I'm actually going to try, and I'm going to try it soon. Mouth taping. TikTok's latest sleepy time flex is taping your mouth shut to force nasal breathing, promising deeper sleep, better recovery, and even facial symmetry. Science check, there's some evidence that nasal breathing can improve oxygen intake and heart rate variability, but no strong clinical trials prove mouth taping is necessary for most healthy people. Not good for folks with undiagnosed sleep apnea, deviated septum, or breathing problems. Plus, waking up in a panic when the tape seals too tight is not cool. The TikTok viral moment, like Ashton Hall, peeling off tape with the perfect skin and claiming, "This changed my life in one night." My take is, breath work definitely matters, but if you need tape to do it, maybe fix your habits, not your mouth. How about Ozempic? Oatzempic, the do-it-yourself weight loss drink. Blended oats, water, lime juice, put it all together, and TikTok calls it Ozempic, a natural Ozempic alternative. The science, oats are high in soluble fiber, which can help with satiety and slow digestion. It makes you feel full, but it won't replicate semaglutide or Ozempic. The TikTok viral moment, down 10 pounds in 2 weeks, no gym, just oats. My take, oats are great, but the claim, inflated, if anything, and this isn't a shortcut, this is just breakfast to me. And last but not least, berberine. Berberine is a compound found in plants like barberry, and is the latest TikTok sensation being hailed as nature's Ozempic. The science, some studies show berberine may help lower blood sugar and improve lipid profiles or your cholesterol, but it's not FDA approved for weight loss, and the effects are milder than prescription medications. It actually works like metformin, a commonly used drug in the management of newly onset diabetes. The risk, possible GI side effects like stomach cramping, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. And it can interact with other medications. The TikTok viral moment, I dropped 15 pounds of berberine and no side effects. My take, interesting concept, but not a miracle pill, and definitely not a substitute for medical advice. Listen, guys, my overall advice to you all is don't just follow trends, research them. Ask who benefits, what's missing, is this health or just hype? Don't confuse virality with validity, and always see a doctor before trying some of these viral trends. Most are relatively harmless, but if you're taking prescription medications or have underlying health conditions, you could do yourself more harm than good. Now, before we sign off, I want to share with you what I'm currently vibing and listening to. Everything is Everything by Lauryn Hill. Because health is never just one thing, it's everything working together. And what am I reading? The Glucose Revolution by Jesse Inchasepe. Smart, social, and science-backed. A great guide to blood sugar management and better eating habits. So before you take the next sip, the next chew, or the TikTok challenge, ask yourself, is this helping me or hyping me? This has been The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield, where medicine, music, and viral trends get checked and respected. And remember, we're born looking like our parents, but we die looking like our decisions. Choose wisely, choose smarter, sip slower, and if you must drink okra water, do it with purpose. Join me every Sunday for new episodes. You can check me out on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you get your audio fix. And please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Your time here is greatly appreciated. It's the Hip Hop Doc. They call me H2D. Come on, y'all. Let's get hip hop healthy. Peace and blessings. I'm out.
The content on The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized medical guidance. Dr. Rani Whitfield is a licensed family physician, but the information provided on this podcast should not replace professional medical consultation.